Hello my beautiful angels, I hope you are doing superbly awesome. So today I'm going to do a haul video that is going to be one brand haul video which I ordered from Home Shop 18. I ordered this online, so yeah, this is the box which I ordered from Home Shop 18. It's a Avon box and it's Avon New York product. So Avon is like familiar with this brand, so yep, a good deal was going on Home Shop 18, so I thought why shouldn't I order it. So I ordered it and I'm sharing with you all guys. If you're interested, then you can also order this product. So yep, I'll show you what all I have. So first thing, let me tell you how much this box costed me. It costed me around 999 rupees and plus delivery charges was some 68 rupees, so total was 1068 rupees, 1069 rupees. And yep, there are few products inside this kit, and I got one more thing with this, and that is this bag which will go through it. And first of all, we'll go through this box. So this is the Avon box, nice cute box. They gave packaging was good. Home Shop 8, I have been ordering from Home Shop 80 like so many times and I'm happy with their products, so giving a try to this brand as well. So yep, after opening the kit you will find the stuff over here like this. All the stuff are here, like four shades of lipstick are here, then down is this foundation and 4 nail paint colors are over here. So these are the products which I got in, like they were packed like this. So one by one I'll show you what all I have inside. The first thing is this Avon Pretty foundation. This is the foundation and it's Fresh Radiance Gel Foundation, Simply Pretty Avon, and it's in the shade Natural Beige. So this is the perfect shade for me. I have no problem with this shade. This is the perfect shade. So beige color, or this matches, like I mean most of the Indian skin, you know, they have beige color, so this is the perfect color for me. I'll show you how it is. This is the color and it easily blends out onto my skin. See, it easily blended out on my skin and I really this is the perfect shade for me. So yep, and individually this is for 229 rupees. Moisturizes your face as well as it gives that radiance to your skin, so I like this finish. So I liked this foundation as well. Earlier I have used this foundation, so I didn't buy it again, so I thought why shouldn't I order this, so I got it in this box. So yep, this is the foundation. Kajal, and this kajal is Simply Pretty Avon Kajal. It's in jet black color. I'll show you the pigmentation of this color. It's really very dark. It's very dark, and it's this way. I mean you have to sharpen it, and you need to sharpen it. And this is the pencil. It's in jet black color, and I don't know whether it's smudge free or not because I haven't used it. So this is the kajal, and I guess I don't know the rate of this individually because the trapper is missing in this. Go through all the lipsticks, and this is the first lipstick, and it's in the shade Darling Mauve. So the lipstick is like enough, it's the size is good enough, the size is good enough, and I'll do a swatch of it. As it's a beautiful pink color. I really love this color. Now the second, and again it's a beautiful plum color. This one, it's a beautiful plum color. First one is this mauve color plus this cherry red color. It's a beautiful red color. Is this milk chocolate color. Again, it's a very beautiful color. So all these 4 shades are really very nice. This is the pink color, that mauve pink, then this is plum color, then this is cherry red, and this is milk chocolate color. All the 4 shades you can see are really very nice and good. You can really wear it. So yeah, these are all the 4 shades which you have seen right now, and each lipstick is for around, I guess, for 125 rupees. I guess because I've removed that sticker from this, but I guess each lipstick is for 125 rupees. This thing I'm I mean, I'm not very happy with the lipstick, this thing. It's little, I mean, it's in sheer, it's sheer, not too dark, and it you have to apply like 4 to 5 times to make it, you know, really dark. Otherwise, it's just like a lip balm, tinted lip balm. Apply like, you know, 2 to 3 times, 4 times in fact, to make it a little darker. So yeah, these are the lipsticks, and then we'll move on to the nail paints. So first nail paint which I have is this True Rose color. It's a beautiful color. It's this bright neon pink color, a cherry red color. So these are the 4 nail paints. All the shades are good enough. So box, and with this I got one more thing free, and that is this bag. I got this bag free. It's black color bag with this quilted detailing on this, and it's a beautiful bag with all these nice buttons over here, and it's a black color with nice material. It's not leather, it's a cloth, but you know, cloth like that jacket kind of stuff you get. It's in that material, and inside, if you open it, you will see inside it's just one compartment. But the bag was the tag which came with this bag was 995 rupees, but I got all this stuff in just 99 rupees and 68 my delivery charges. So yeah, this is the box. So yeah, this is the box, and inside backside all the details are there, what all products are inside. So total I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total I got 10 products, and I'm happy with that. So yep, this was the product. If you want to order, you can order from Home Shop 18. I guess deal is still on. So yep, you can call them and say that you want a Avon kit. Then definitely they will place your order, I guess. And the teeny mini haul, I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up, and do not forget to follow me on all the social media sites, which will be linked in the bottom bar, that is description box. And do not forget to check my Facebook page, that is interior designer page, Monal Star Designer, where I keep on uploading my project pictures. As you guys know that I am by profession, I am an interior designer, and yes, to take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye. Good luck.